In Business Central, you have the ability to add a company identifier to each company, which sits in your top right hand corner. You'll see here I've added tag, and it is blue. To change this, we go to company information. Scroll right to the footer, right down the bottom, and you can see the company badge is custom, and the color we've said will be deep purple. It's 4 letters. It's limited to 4 characters. We close, and it says the company badge settings have changed. Refresh the browser. We hit refresh, and you'll see now a purple tag, which will say demo. There we go. Very simple. If you click it, it tells you the company you're in and the environment. And if I change companies, I can see here by moving from here to the demo, the color will change. Just there. And if I click, I can see I'm now in a different environment. I can change again to Kronos. And here you can see I've changed the text in this as well. So in summary, a tag helps you as an identifier. It's a feature that Microsoft believes is valuable for knowing and identifying quickly via color and text which system and environment you're currently operating in. Thank you.